I am like Randy Savage on acid that's very vibrant and classic. A walking disaster hazard to any rapper that's rapping. We the underground killers, but globally they feel us cause we restoring the feeling. This guru spit voodoo, yes. I am that mass appealing. I'm filling up on the breast. She swallowing on my cheering. Racking my mouth, teeth made of gold. I'm sucking the areolas, my nigga the best of balls. Double entendre, and if they auctioning niggas, then I'm the top product. What am I saying to you? So auction our forefathers. Where is my mind? Shit, I can't find it. Like looking for remote control after smoking marijuana. How is it so nigga rich yet so enlightened? It can't be possible he living anything he rhyming. I feel like we entered the game with remarkable timing.
Broke niggas only make jokes, nigga. Cruising down the street, ain't got a 6'4", just a heart full of pride, a mouth full of gold. Corny baby mama knocking at my front door. She just want my income. I'd rather get my dick and leave the